Hello everyone, so this time I'm going to get the dates right. March 2020 was the last time Molineux had a full house in a Premier League game, and today we have Spurs. It's the return of Nuno, so it's going to be an emotional day, and we need to start getting points on the board, don't we? Hopefully Harry Kane don't play for them, which I don't think he will. And as always, I'll catch what I can. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the season. Probably won't do it, but we'll try. And yeah, my score prediction, 2-1 to Wolves. Jimenez with a late winner, and I'll go with Trincao for our first goal. Let's go with that. And I reckon Son will score for Spurs. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll catch you when we're on the way to Molineux. Hello, Nuno. Is it me you're looking for? And give the ball to Raul and he will score. There's something that the world wants you to know. Come on. Willy Volley is not impressed. That's Marcel out for the season. Cheers, Jeff.
Spurs. I'm going to come back out. 1-0 half time, what's your thoughts, son?
1-0 doesn't reflect the performance. I think Spurs they've had the one chance for the penalty, by all accounts it's soft. But Wolves have been by far the better side, creating loads of chances, playing on the front foot, pressing really well. It's good to see a Wolves side attack and go for it. The Adama's been unbelievable.
Bruno ball.
Last ball in his
I'm upset seeing Nuno still on the sidelines. You don't bother, do
you need to grow up, mate.
It makes me feel sad.
Get over it, mate. He's not your ex-missus.
He looks so clean and fresh.
I know. We need to start converting chances. It's all well and good playing nice football, as with against Leicester, but we need to make it count.
I think we can do it second half.
Yeah.
But mate, last week I spoke to you, 1-0 down at half time at Leicester. It feels like the same again.
No, that was a lot more positive than Leicester, and I was positive after that. I think we've got a good chance here. We just need to that final ball, that final decision needs to be better. And if we play like that against most teams, we'll beat them, especially towards the lower echelons of the league.
Come on, boys!
He's going to City, but he's coming on for him. Kane's coming on.
Just like Leicester, better chances. Here's Cody. Nuno's got a decent reception as expected. Felt just like Leicester today. We had the better chances, we were the better team. But we couldn't score. Traore's one-on-one. Good save from Hugo Lloris, but I don't know about the penalty for them. I'm hearing it's quite soft, but same again. Really good play from us. We just can't put the ball in the net. Raul looked off it with his chance at the end as well. That chance he had, but he missed. Good performance, but we lost 1-0 again. Same again. Sam, what do you reckon?
I think they had absolutely nothing to give. Early penalty, and that totally
suited them, didn't it? With their tactics.
I think on another day we would have got at least a point from that.
I'll tell you what, I said that last week though. We've got to sort out our finishing.
Used to saying it every week, Harry.
We've got to sort out our finishing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More frustration. But Bruno Lage is getting us attacking. We just need to put the ball in the net. Yo, I ain't released the vlog, so I thought I want to get back and I want to watch it. Dele Alli dived. Semedo's the one after was exactly the same as Dele Alli's. How have we not got a penalty after? I'm watching the highlights back now. It's so frustrating. My God. How was Semedo's not a penalty if Dele Alli's was? Dele Alli dived into Sarr. I can't believe it. I'm so annoyed. Absolute. And Sarr was brilliant in goal after as well. Absolute joke. How have we not got a point today? My God.